Hello everyone. In this video we discuss about mass and weight. Mass and weight is two different things. But why we confuse between them? Probably because we use unit of mass to measure weight. Now suppose I am telling you that my weight is 70 kg. Now you look at the sentence properly. We are using the word weight, but we use the unit of mass kg to represent weight. So we generally use unit of mass to measure weight in our daily life. So let's understand what exactly mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Means what exactly the amount of matter is present in that object is called the mass of the particular object. Characteristics of mass. Mass is a scalar quantity. Means only magnitude, no direction is there. Mass does not change from place to place. It is constant. To understand this, just suppose two situations. An object on the surface of earth and the same object on the surface of moon. Now in this case, the matter of the object will not change. Means on the surface of earth and moon, in both cases the mass is same. That's why mass does not change from place to place. It is constant. Mass of a body can never be zero. And unit of mass, SI unit is kg and CGS unit of mass is g. Simply we say kg, kilogram, and g gram. Usually we represent mass with small m. Now we discuss about weight. Weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of the earth. Means weight is a force. It is represented by the symbol W. We know according to Newton's second law of motion that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So with the help of this formula we can write that W means weight is equal to mass of the body into acceleration due to gravity. Characteristics of weight. Weight is a vector quantity having direction towards the center of the earth, that is acting in vertically downward direction. And weight of a body is given by W is equal to m into g. So weight of a body changes from place to place. You can understand this. Suppose a person whose mass is 56 kg is on the surface of earth and on the surface of moon. So in both cases the weight will not same because the acceleration due to gravity is also differ and the mass of earth and mass of moon is also different. So weight change from place to place. SI unit of weight is Newton because we know that the SI unit of force is Newton and weight of a body is the force of gravity on it. Major differences between mass and weight. Weight is a vector quantity whereas mass is a scalar quantity. Weight of a body is measured by a spring balance whereas mass of a body is measured by a physical balance. SI unit of weight is Newton whereas SI unit of mass is kilogram. Weight of a body is not constant and changes from place to place, whereas mass of a body is constant and does not change from place to place. Weight becomes zero when it is taken to the center of the earth, whereas mass of a body cannot be zero at any place. And the most important thing, mass of an object is the measure of its inertia, whereas weight of an object is the gravitational force.